Okay, today we're going to do a quick video on how to repair wallpaper or wall vinyl. See here we have, I'm going to do a patch right here. It's coming off at the seam, got a rip right there. So a simple way to patch this. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I've removed the baseboard. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a patch about this size here. Let's go ahead and do that. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some wallpaper, wall vinyl adhesive on the paper. So you don't have to put too much, it's very little. Here's the tools you're going to need. A breakaway blade, seam roller, a wide knife, and a wet rag, and a stapler. I'll show you what that is for. Now we're going to cut staples in both of these papers, both of the vinyl, so this doesn't move. When you cut them both, it won't move on you. So if you're doing like a patch job, like sometimes you just do a little square and do the same thing, you put some staples in there so this paper doesn't move on you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double cut both papers. Right here's the middle, so I'm about right here. Make sure you get both papers deep enough. Pull down, straight line. And what I usually do, one cut, then I break away my blade, the breakaway blade, new blade. So every cut you got to break a new blade. See, it needs to be sharp. So you cut both through both papers. Go deep enough. Okay, what I did is you take off this one here. Like I said, I cut through both papers, so you lift back here. Take away this one. Do it real slow, that way you don't rip the wall. Then you're gonna have to patch it. Glue back here. Do the other side. Here's your staple here. Just pull that staple out. Take away the back side. You get your wet rag and clean off my seam roller for the seams. So I just hit right here on the seams to make them blend in. You're trying to hide the seams. See that? Push this real hard, it'll hide the seams for you. So now you can't even see it. As long as you cut both of them at the same time, you're always going to get a perfect fit. Perfect fit. it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to patch wallpaper or wall vinyl. Don't forget to subscribe and like.